Welcome to the Full Tracy Money Audio Commentary. This is Owen Tracy recording, and it is 2:17 p.m. That is Central Time. Today is January 20th, and today was the inauguration for President Trump 2.0. So I was interested to find out exactly what he had to have planned, and the inauguration address was interesting because he listed off a whole slew of different points. But from a market's perspective, most of what he had to say was pretty much irrelevant because a lot of it had to do with social change. Then there was geopolitical points that were made, particularly with regard to the Panama Canal, for example, but I'm not sure that that's going to particularly affect markets. Then when we think about the decision to change how the drug cartels are treated by the US government, that's, I think, largely positive. There is, of course, the anticipation that there will be mass deportations, and I think it's worth just considering that the USA was deporting about, or at least several 100,000 people a year until quite recently. So it's not really that much of a change. But then I think one thing that was missing was any real mention of Bitcoin. So the price today popped up to a new all-time high, but wasn't able to hold it and finished out the day pretty much unchanged. So this, I think, is representative of a little bit of disappointment from the most ardent adherents to the Bitcoin bull market. Something that I think is particularly worth bearing in mind is that we are in the most bullish portion of the cyclical bull trend for the Bitcoin price. It's not always in a bull trend, but the year and a bit more than a year after the halving is usually the most bullish period. So that's certainly in its favor. But in order to get the kinds of mania that we've seen in the past, then we need both liquidity and a concentration of attention within the sector. Now we can go back and think about what has happened